You're watching 8 News at 6. I'm Eric Phillips.
I'm Deanna Albritton. As this snow starts to melt, we have team coverage for you. 8 News reporters Danelle Dukin and Sierra Krug looking at what's next after the storm, and 8 News reporter Madison Moore giving us an update on the roads now. But our coverage begins with Chief Meteorologist John Bernier. So, JB, is this snow behind us?
Gone, 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 done and over with. Now history. Now we just have to kind of clean up the history books a little bit, let things melt. And of course, temperatures are going to be a little brisk tonight over the region. We're sitting at 30 degrees outside right now, 25 degrees up in Charlottesville, 30 degrees down at the beach where they had the heavier amounts of snow. Some places down there getting a foot. Currituck County, northeastern North Carolina, getting well over a foot of snow. Still have the breezes, winds 21 miles an hour for us, so there is a bite in the air. And the story for tonight is actually going to be the wind chills to talk about. So here go the air temperatures down, as you see, from 25 eventually down to about 18 degrees, but those wind chills 15 degrees for you at 8 p.m. and they will bottom out potentially single digits early tomorrow morning over us here in central Virginia. So the other story to talk about, James River. Remember all the heavy snow downstream where the James River goes into the Atlantic Ocean. It's right now at 10.07 feet. It's going to be dropping to probably about 9 feet by the time we get into the middle part of the weekend. And of course, the amount of moisture from this snow, because it was a real fluffy snow over us here. You could literally blow it away from your driveway with a leaf blower. Not a lot of moisture is going to go into the river system.
But good for the back when it comes to shoveling that.
Oh, yes. And one of our engineers, Lee, he was out there blowing the snow off of a lot of our cars yesterday to help us out. Yep. So that nice fluffy snow.
He's back making network cables right now.
Yes. So because there are still some slick spots, Virginia State Police are urging Virginians in some areas to continue to avoid travel so that VDOT and emergency crews can have the room that they need to finish up clearing all those roads.
As of 11 o'clock this morning, there have been 539 crashes across the state. 69 of those crashes here in central Virginia, with 6 reported injuries. Now, fortunately, there have been no reported deaths. And 8 News reporter Madison Moore is in Chesterfield with an update on road conditions. And Madison, what are you seeing now?
Yeah, I'm driving on Buford Road right now, and as you can see from my point of view, traffic is flowing nicely, but VDOT says they're working around the clock to make all roads passable.
Monday, Tuesday, we pre-treated pretty much the entire days. A vast majority of them are clear.
VDOT's Tanvir Chowdhury explaining that crews have been working in 24-hour shifts, focusing on clearing the busiest roadways first.
The roads are clear now. Update me on the road conditions right now. What are you guys seeing out there?
So as of right now, our interstates are pretty much clear. Primaries are mostly clear. And then we are just getting into the secondary roads and subdivisions starting this afternoon.
While progress has been made, the impact of the weather is still being felt. With hundreds of crashes across the state, Chowdhury asking for patience as crews work throughout the night.
Give the snowplows and other VDOT equipments and contractors' equipments that are working on the road to give them enough space so that we can perform our work.
While the main roads are clear, if you live in a subdivision like the one we're passing through right now, VDOT crews are most likely working their way to you right now, and their goal is to have all roads cleared by tomorrow night. In Chesterfield County, I'm Madison Moore, 8 News.